Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between turning and milling processes. Conventional machining is one type of manufacturing process in which excess material is removed from a preformed blank by shearing in the form of chips using a wedge-shaped cutting tool in order to get desired shape, finish and tolerance. There exist several machining processes to efficiently machine a wide variety of materials in innumerable ways. Turning and milling are just two examples of such machining processes. So, let's look into the basic differences between turning and milling processes in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Turning is performed to generate a cylindrical or conical surface, whereas milling is performed primarily to generate a flat surface. Number 2. Machine tool that is used for turning operation is called lathe, whereas milling is carried out in milling machine. Number 3. Turning process utilizes a single-point cutting tool, called SPTT, which is short form for single-point turning tool, whereas milling process utilizes a multi-point cutting tool, called milling cutter. Number 4. In turning, cutting tool continuously remains in contact with workpiece during the operation, whereas, in milling, tooth continuously engages and disengages during operation, intermittent cutting. Number 5. In turning, the workpiece is rotated at fixed revolutions per minute. This rotation provides necessary cutting velocity, whereas, in milling, the cutter is rotated at fixed revolutions per minute. Rotating cutter provides necessary cutting velocity. Number 6. In turning, feed motion is derived by moving the cutting tool carriage, whereas, in milling, feed motion is derived by moving the workpiece, worktable. And, difference number 7, turning can produce fragmented, discontinuous, or continuous chips, based on work and tool materials, cutting parameters, etc., whereas, milling inherently produces discontinuous chips,